In the heart of the Dolomites in Italy, at an altitude of 1,600 meters, lies the Granvara Relais and Spa Hotel. A place of tranquility amidst untouched nature, it impresses with its 360-degree panoramic view. In the five-star luxury hotel in Selva de Valgardena, the architects from Archifacture have created a symbiosis of exclusive elegance and cozy quietness. Their concept emphasizes natural materials like oak wood, Swiss pine, and natural stone, combined with muted colors, which harmoniously blend into the alpine landscape. The suites are spacious and openly designed. These room concepts convey a sense of expansiveness and freedom, creating an atmosphere of well-being. If needed, retreat zones can be created with sound attenuation sliding doors. These flexible room dividers, equipped with Hawa Junior acoustics fittings, reduce noise and light, ideal for undisturbed sleep or focused work. A special highlight is the minibar, individually designed from solid wood. The innovative pivot sliding doors, fitted with Hawa Concepta hardware, allow for easy access to the contents, whether for a relaxing coffee break or a cozy aperitif. The Granvara stands for luxurious comfort and aesthetic perfection. The host and builder has created a place for his guests to enjoy nature and complete tranquility.